my method of washing cashmere. There's probably as many methods as there are people, but this is my simple way to do it. And you take a laundry mesh bag, and you take the dirty fleece, raw fleece, and fluff it up. Stick it in here. This is a combed fleece. It would work the same for shorn. There'd just be a lot more of it. You just fluff it up. Get the bag about half full of cashmere so there's room for the cashmere to move around once the water gets in there. Zip it up. Fluff up. Then you have 2 bags of fleece. You stick it in the water. This is water that's warm enough, or hot enough, you can just barely get your hands in it. Move it up and down a few times. And then let it sit for 20 minutes. And then start rinsing it. Okay. Okay, here is the fiber after one wash. See how dirty the water is? And this is how I wring it out. Just squeeze it, get all the water out. And that is the water after the first wash, or after the wash. And then drain it, of course. Then we do it again. And we start rinsing. Okay. Here is the water after the first rinse. And when you're rinsing it, this is going into the second rinse, and it clumps up a bit, so if you reach through there and just pull it gently apart, that keeps it from felting and makes it easier to work with. And let it soak for 20 minutes, and soak it in the same temperature as the wash water. There. Okay, this is the end of the next rinse. One more rinse, and it will be ready to go. Okay, here's the final rinse. It does not have to be crystal clear, but you need to be able to see through it easily and be almost clear. Okay, here's how I do. It's been through the spin cycle now, and it's damp. It's not sopping wet, and so then I pull it apart and then let it dry, and then it's ready to dehair. Okay. There, now it is all ready to dry and be dehaired.